back to another Refresh Cartridges video. In this video I'll be showing you how to remove your transfer belt from your Xerox WorkCentre 6605 or 6600 printer. The first thing you'll want to do is open up the right hand side of your printer. The screen, the touchpad and the screen lifts up. And so will this part here, and just in the top here you can see the two handles for your transfer belt. What you'll then want to do is go round to the side of your printer where the waste toner kit is and your drum units. After opening it up, we can see the side of what is the waste toner collection unit, and we want to just turn this orange handle to unlock it, and this will just wiggle out. And now we have got a view of what are the drum units. All you need to do is just push this down on the button on the side and it will just slide out. After all the drum units have been removed, after the drum units are out, you will want to go to the back of the printer and just open up the hatch on the back, and you do this by pushing down the handle at the top and just leaving that bit open. Go to the front end of your printer again, and just where you've got these beige coloured handles, you want to pop your fingers in either side, and that should gently lift up and slide out. And if you're just removing this for maintenance and cleaning, you want to be very careful of the film on the front. Once that's perforated, that will be damaged and will need replacing. So if you're replacing your transfer belt, once you've received it, take off all the packaging, and you'll want to have either side through the loopholes. On the front end, you want to pop into where the arrows are with the sort of beige coloured slots, and you want to pop the back end through those slots, and that will slide gently into place and click in once it's in place. You'll then want to go back around, close the back of the unit, pop your drum units back in, your waste toner kit, and you will be ready to print. I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.